time, there was a girl named Little Red Riding Hood who was just right. But then, sad things began to happen in her family. And to make it worse, bullies kept saying that her mommy and daddy didn't care about her. Little Red didn't feel just right anymore. There's only one difference between a kind person and a bully. It isn't that the bully has mean thoughts. Kind people think mean things too. It isn't that the bully gets angry either. Kind people get angry all the time. The only difference is that a kind person can control her mean thoughts and angry feelings. She doesn't let them come out in ways that hurt people. Instead, maybe she writes or draws about what's making her mad. Maybe she tells an adult she trusts. Kind people like that can help other kids find a happily ever after. B.B. Wolfe knows that he should keep his mean thoughts and angry feelings under control. But now we have to see if he can do it. Let's work the magic that turns him back into a wolf by saying his name. 1, 2, 3, B.B. Wolfe!